What is Proxmox? Proxmox is an open-source virtualization management platform that allows users to create and manage virtual machines, VMs, and containers on a single system. It uses KVM-based virtualization for running VMs and LXC containers for running lightweight Linux containers. Proxmox provides a web-based graphical user interface, GUI, that allows users to easily create, configure, and manage VMs and containers, as well as perform other virtualization-related tasks such as creating backups, migrating VMs between hosts, and monitoring system performance. Proxmox also offers enterprise-level features such as high availability, clustering, centralized management of multiple Proxmox hosts, and support for various storage technologies such as ZFS, Ceph, and NFS. How to configure Proxmox? Configuring Proxmox involves several steps, including installing and setting up Proxmox on the host machine, configuring network settings, creating storage, and creating virtual machines and containers. Here's a basic overview of the process. Install Proxmox. Download the Proxmox ISO from the official website and install it on your host machine. Configure network settings. Configure the network settings of your host machine to ensure that it has a static IP address and that it can communicate with other machines on the network. Create storage. Create storage for your virtual machines and containers. Proxmox supports various storage technologies such as ZFS, LVM, NFS, and Ceph. Create virtual machines and containers. Use the Proxmox web interface to create virtual machines and containers. You can select from various operating systems and configure settings such as CPU, memory, and disk space. Configure backups. Set up backups for your virtual machines and containers to ensure that you can recover them in case of a failure. Monitor system performance. Use the Proxmox web interface to monitor system performance, including CPU usage, memory usage, and network traffic. What are the features of Proxmox? Proxmox is a powerful virtualization management platform that offers a wide range of features to users. Here are some of the key features of Proxmox. KVM and LXC virtualization. Proxmox uses KVM-based virtualization for running VMs and LXC containers for running lightweight Linux containers. Web-based GUI. Proxmox provides a web-based graphical user interface, GUI, that allows users to easily create, configure, and manage virtual machines and containers. High availability clustering. Proxmox supports high availability clustering, allowing users to create a cluster of Proxmox hosts and ensure that virtual machines are automatically migrated to other hosts in case of a failure. Live migration. Proxmox allows users to live migrate virtual machines between Proxmox hosts without interrupting service. Storage technologies. Proxmox supports various storage technologies such as ZFS, LVM, NFS, and Ceph. Backups. Proxmox allows users to create backups of virtual machines and containers, and restore them in case of a failure. Templates. Proxmox provides templates for various operating systems, making it easy to create virtual machines and containers. Monitoring. Proxmox provides a range of monitoring tools that allow users to monitor system performance, including CPU usage, memory usage, and network traffic. Centralized management. Proxmox allows users to manage multiple Proxmox hosts from a central location. API. Proxmox provides a RESTful API that allows users to automate tasks and integrate Proxmox with other systems. Who uses Proxmox? Proxmox is used by a wide range of organizations and individuals, including small businesses, educational institutions, and large enterprises. The University of Oslo uses Proxmox to manage virtual machines and containers for their research and teaching purposes. Audi, the German automobile manufacturer, uses Proxmox for virtualization and as a backup solution. Max Planck Institute for Astronomy. The Max Planck Institute for Astronomy uses Proxmox to manage their virtual machines and containers for scientific research. EuroVPS, a web hosting company, uses Proxmox to provide virtual private server (VPS) hosting services. Geosatis, a Swiss technology company, uses Proxmox to manage virtual machines for their cloud-based monitoring solutions. Stratogen, a cloud hosting provider, uses Proxmox for their virtualization platform. Open Nebula Systems, a company that provides cloud management solutions, uses Proxmox for their virtualization platform. High Velocity, a dedicated server hosting company, uses Proxmox for their virtualization platform. Like, share, and subscribe